City-based makeup artist Sue Perez, and I'm going to show you how you can get easy, fabulous eyeliner looks. Let me show you a great way to substitute your eyeliner brush. We've all been there, need to get some eyeliner on, don't have our brush. A Q-tip works amazing. Take your Q-tip, twist a little bit of the cotton off, now you have a little tip that you can use. Take an eyeshadow that you might have in a darker shade, work the tip of the cotton into the powder, and once the eyeshadow or the eye color that you'd like to use for liner is on the Q-tip, apply it right against the lash line. And there you have it, eyeliner with a Q-tip. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'd love to answer all your questions. If you have anything you'd like to know, please email me on my website at sueperez.com. Join my mailing list for monthly updates. Visit my blog. I'm basically your personal professional makeup artist here in New York City. I'm also a licensed esthetician, so any skincare concerns that you have, I'd love to hear from you.